Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Vision by Ansika. My name is Ansika and I am from Uttar Pradesh, Azamgarh district. This is day 3 of learning English with me. Guys, you know Azamgarh? Azamgarh is a city in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. It is the headquarter of Azamgarh district, which includes Azamgarh, Balia and Mau. Guys, today I am in my second field. These are also my field. Guys, today I will show you what we grow here. Guys, I grow mustard plant. Guys, I grow mustard plants. Black peas. Guys, these are black peas. Guys, these are black peas. In the village, we call it chana or gram. These are black chana. Guys, there are lots of bathua plant. Guys, these are bathua plant. Guys, these are bathua plant. These are bathua. This is bathua. Guys, this is very healthy for us. This is called green vegetable. Guys, in the my field, very fresh coriander. This is coriander plant. Guys, this is my favorite place and I feel very calm here. Thanks for listening my video because I am just getting started. Thank you.